Good morning, students. Welcome to your SST class. And today we will start chapter 5 India Political. Getting started. What is there? Let us see. To which state do you belong? You know your state to which you belong. Locate it in the political map of India. Then find out the states which are on the east, west, north and south of your state. Okay. Each student can say it aloud in the class as a class activity. This can be done as a class activity. Now let us start. India is a vast and a thickly populated country. More than 120 crore people live in the villages, towns and cities of India. So India is a very vast and as well as thickly populated country. In India, how many people live? 120 crore people live either in villages, towns or cities of India. Okay. These villages, towns and cities are a part of the states and union territories of India. So these cities, towns, villages, they are part of the states and the union territories of India. To control and look after the law and order of this vast country, India has been divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. To have a better control all over India and to have law and order, this vast country, this big country has been divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. Okay. States are the large political divisions of India. Each state has a large city as its capital city. So each state has a large city which is its capital city. Okay. Union territories are small political divisions. States are large political division of India and union territories are small political division of India. Some union territories are large cities. Okay. New Delhi is the capital of India, that you all know. So this is the map of India political. Okay. So let us move to the next page. In terms of area, the largest state in India is Rajasthan, while Goa is the smallest state. So, in terms of area, largest state in India is Rajasthan and Goa is the smallest state. Among the union territories, Andaman and Nicobar Islands is the largest and Lakshadweep is the smallest. Okay. Among the union territories, Andaman and Nicobar Island is the largest and Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory. Okay. Here, let us see. Do you know Pranab Kumar Mukherjee, the 13th President of India, was earlier the Union Finance Minister. Okay. Now, let us see states and union territories and their capitals. These are the states. These are the capital. Let us see. Andhra Pradesh. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? Hyderabad. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Simla. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Tribunanthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Okay. 21. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. West Bengal, Kolkata. So these are the all 29 states and their capitals. Now let us see the union territories. Okay, there are 7 union territories. Let us see. Number 1 is Andaman and Nicobar Island and capital is Port Blair. Next is Chandigarh, capital is Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, capital is Silvassa. Daman and Diu, capital is Daman. Lakshadweep, Kavaratti, National Capital Territory of Delhi, Delhi. Puducherry is the capital. Okay, so these are the 29 states along with their capitals as well as the 7 union territories and their capitals. What you will do, you will write this down in your copy and you will learn them. Okay. And one more exercise I will give you to do, that is you will write down the names of the first president and prime minister of our country and also write the names of the present president and prime minister of our country, as well as you will write the chief minister and the governor of your state. Okay, so this is your homework. What we have seen here, that there are 29 states and 7 territories. You will try to find out the states and their capitals here. Okay, you will try to find out the states as well as capitals from this map, and you will learn the states and capitals in your copy and you will learn them, as well as union territory and capital, and you will learn them. What we have seen, which is the largest union territory? Andaman and Nicobar Island, and smallest is Lakshadweep, and the largest state is Rajasthan, smallest state is Goa. Okay, so you will write this and this is your homework. So here we end our class today. In the next class we will complete our video of this chapter. Okay, so till then take care, bye, and thank you children.